So I woke up today and I came downstairs to make breakfast for my kids and I started to find mouse poop on the counters. It's late fall to early winter here in the Midwest, and it's the time of year that mice like to try to come into our house and eat our food and poop on the counters and have babies. So it's important to try to catch them before they start having babies, or you have a big problem on your hands. There's a few techniques that you can use to catch mice or kill mice, and we have dogs, so we can't use poison. We've used live traps before, but that can be a little bit of a hassle because if you use a live trap, you then have to drive them at least 2 miles away to release them, and it doesn't work as well typically as the standard traps. So what I have here is I'll show you the technique that I use that works the best. We have just this standard Victor mouse trap, and you can see that I've taken a couple pieces of dog food from our dogs, and I've rubber banded them to the trigger on the mouse trap. That'll make it a little bit more difficult for the mouse to just take the food and not set off the trap. It's really a surefire technique. I've found that the dog food, the mice really like it because of the high protein level in it. And all I've done is I've set them on the counter where I have found some mouse poop, which I already cleaned up. So I'm gonna leave those out. I have one right where I showed you. Sorry for the shaky video, I'm on my phone. And I left one back there where I also found some poop. That's typically where you want to leave the traps because you know that they're walking on a path in that area. So I'm going to leave them out, and I will share results when I get them. And I'll also put a link to the mouse traps, and that's probably it down in the description. All right, I'll see you when there's some results. Okay, so it's been almost all day. It's dark outside now. It is about almost 10 o'clock. It's 9:50, and I set up 3 traps, 2 upstairs and 1 down in the basement because I saw some mouse poop in the basement too. And I just came downstairs and noticed that my trap has been set off and there's no mouse in it, but not very far away. There's the little guy. So he just, he definitely wasn't going very hard at the food, and he was able to get out of the trap. But I think because the food was strapped in with the rubber bands, it gave the trap just enough to get the guy. So there's my proof. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe so that you can see more of my videos. Thanks.